Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beer cheese dip. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of your preferred beer, 8 ounces of freshly shredded sharp cheddar, 2 tablespoons each of butter and flour, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. These simple components are the foundation for a rich, creamy dip that everyone will love. Let's get cooking. Now, let's build our base. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour to form a smooth roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute, stirring continuously to prevent burning. This step is crucial for thickening. Then, slowly pour in 1/2 cup of your chosen beer, whisking constantly until the mixture is smooth and slightly thickened. This creates a flavorful foundation. With your base ready, it's time for the star ingredient. Reduce the heat to low, then gradually add your 8 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Stir continuously until the cheese is completely melted and the dip is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. These additions elevate the flavor profile, giving your dip that irresistible depth. Keep stirring until everything is perfectly combined. Your delicious beer cheese dip is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with soft pretzels, crusty bread, or even tortilla chips. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped chives or a sprinkle of paprika. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When reheating, do so gently on the stovetop or in the microwave, stirring frequently to maintain its creamy texture. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.